Integrated waterproof LED strip light cutting and wiring waterproof treatment. Take a 220 volts RGB strip light as an example. Each cutting unit is 1 meter. First, find the solder pads at the 1 meter mark, which have black silkscreen on both sides and a black cutting mark in the middle. Then, align the blades of diagonal pliers with the black cutting mark and cut. The trim strip light should have both solder pads intact. Do not cut solder pads without cutting marks. For other strip lights, cutting methods should follow this video, except for the smallest cutting unit. Other packaging materials. Packaging plugs, stripping and wiring tools, quick drying waterproof glue with glue gun, electronic wire, electric soldering iron with solder wire, stirring stick, diagonal pliers. First, use diagonal pliers to trim the mounting edges on both sides of the light strip, trimming about 2-3 cm. Then, place the beginning of the light strip into the stripping tool. This light strip is an RGB light strip, so the tool on the left corresponds to it. Place the head of the light strip against the bottom surface of the tooling, turn the knob clockwise, and when you hear a pop sound, turn the knob counterclockwise to exit the tool. Use diagonal pliers to peel off the removed adhesive, revealing the solder pads. Note: 220 volts continuous on LEDs are densely packed together, and the solder pads are small, which can lead to the risk of cutting the LEDs. When operating, carefully monitor the position of the cutter and move it to a safe position before cutting. Next, proceed to the wire soldering process. This wire stripper strips 1 cm of electronic wire for easier bending. After soldering, bend the wires 1/8 to the back of the light strip. Once the lights are working properly, we'll perform the final waterproofing. Prepare the auxiliary tooling for sealing the plug. 2 stainless steel fasteners are fastened to the vertical wooden board. Place the head of the light strip on the table. Then, snap the light strip into the first fastener. Pour half of the quick-drying waterproof adhesive into the sealing plug and stir it evenly with a stirring stick. Stir for at least 10 seconds. Then insert the light strip into the plug. If waterproof glue overflows, wipe it clean with a rag. Place the light strip upright and wait for it to cure. Curing time is at least 15 minutes. Once the curing is complete, the light strip's waterproof wiring is complete.